there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We've got ourselves a standard roller door here with a lock. You all know them, you turn the key, it turns the big bars, opens and closes. But these do get old and they break, and then a lot of people just leave their sliding door unlocked at that point because it's just too hard to get it open and closed. Well, this pool owner, where I am right now, has come up with a nifty little solution. He's simply put a bolt onto the side here with security screw heads in it, and then drilled a hole through the door, so he can now bolt and lock the door down just like that. So the handle, everything is still in place, but the lock's no longer being used. It's being secured by that, and that is a great solution. Just a bolt and a padlock, and he's got himself out of trouble. This is not like a garage door or something like this. It's just a shed in the backyard, but a good solution for what to do if this lock here totally dies.